Labo, ito na sayang. Sayang kalaga. Then magdalagdag na asin. Ganon. Ganon maglagay ng asin. So, tikman. Kung okay na ba. Luto. So, ano ang inyong gagawin? Tapon mo? Hi guys! This is Bricks and welcome back to Pinoy Nutrition, giving you practical tips on foods, lifestyle, and nutrition. And for this episode guys, ay ating pag-usapan kung paano niyo i-fix ang mga pagkaing maalat or napaalat sa pagluto. So, let's get into it. Tip number 1, pwede kang magdagdag ng acid just like your calamansi, vinegar, and lemon. By adding any of these components doon sa inyong niluluto, it helps to neutralize and balance the salt na present doon sa inyong pagkain. Tip number 2, add any of the following potato or dried potato much better. Your chayote and your pasta. So pag dinagdag mo yun, it helps to absorb extra salt present doon sa inyong pagkain without changing the consistency sa inyong niluluto. Tip number 3, you add water. So by adding water guys, it helps to desaturate the salt na nandun sa inyong niluluto. However, you need also to add or to increase other ingredients, so it will result to increasing the volume of your cookery. So yun lang yung isa sa mga disadvantage pag nag-add ka ng water. Para ma-maintain mo yung consistency, yung color, yung flavor, at other components ng inyong niluluto. I hope that this video will help you a lot in your cooking journey. Let me know your thoughts by putting your comments down below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and share this video to your friends and colleagues, and consider subscribing to my channel. God bless everyone.